Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to track dividends and earnings on Fidelity app. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is simply head over and log in or open up your Fidelity app, and once you're inside, be sure to be logged into your account as well. Then once logged into your account, on the bottom of this options, simply select account option right here. Then once you're inside your account options, what you need to do is select the account you want to track, like Bilcraze, IRA, and etc. Then once inside, what you need to do is tap positions to see all your investments and tap a specific investment like stock, ETF, or fund. Now look for dividends paid, interest earned, and total returns. Fidelity shows both cash dividends and dividends reinvested automatically in Metabolt. The next is to check history and statements in the app by simply tapping on the activity or history on the top, and then filter by dividends and interest, and you can see past payouts, payment dates, and amounts. The next step is to set up alerts by simply heading over to the settings and then selecting alerts and enable notification for dividend payments, interest credited, and account activity, which ensures you never miss a payout. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.